Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about tokens. In Python, token is the smallest unit of a program that has meaning to the Python interpreter. Or you can say that tokens are the basic building blocks of a Python program and are used to represent keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and other elements of the language. So how it works? Python uses a tokenizer to break up a program into individual tokens. So whenever you are writing a program, the tokenizer scans through the program character by character, then identify and make groups of the sequences of the characters into tokens. Here are some examples of tokens in Python. Number 1. Keywords. These are the reserved words that have special meaning in Python language. For example, if, else, while, for, def, etc. Second one is identifiers. These are the names given to the variables, functions, classes and other objects in a program. For an example, my_var, this is an identifier. Third is literals. These are the values that represent themselves. For example, any kind of integer, float and string value as well as true or false. Fourth one is operators. These are the symbols used to perform operations on values. For any kind of operations we need various operators. Fifth and last one is punctuators. These are the symbols used to group or separate parts of a program. For example, various type of brackets and colons. So in summary, tokens are the smallest meaningful unit in a Python program and they represent different elements of a language such as keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. Now I will show you different types of tokens through a program. In this program, for, in, if, these are special names. So we can say these are keywords. A is a variable, so we can say A is identifier. Now mod sign, double equal sign, these are operators. And value like 1, 10, these are literals. And comma colons are the punctuators. I hope your concept about tokens is clear. Thank you for watching.